in today's wee episode. I'm going to make up a batch of dark ale, and it's pretty much the same as before. It's a Cooper's kit. I've already got 1 kilo sugar in here. I've got wort and all that laid out. I've actually got that in hot water, soaking in what we call sterilised water. There's a lot of junk in it, but it's sterilised water. So you can follow me along in the next couple of steps, where I'm going to probably put in 2 tablespoons of honey. That's what I tend to use. Yeah. A lot of you will know that I quite often make my own home brew. Big tablespoon. Well, generous honey. At the bottom, just put that a wee bit. I'll put a bit of hot water in it. Right, maybe 2 seconds, and shall come back to you once my assistant sorts out my wort. This will work, you know. I'm going to just mix that up. Right. Pull back a bit. Just mix that in now. Gloopy tar. I've still got about half a litre of water, hot water to add to this, because the kettle doesn't have too cold 2 litres of water. It's a very simple kit, to be fair. This has been standing in hot water as well. It's calm. What I normally do is I normally just put the hot water into the can, and that takes the rest of it out. Right, so put that over there, and we can add the hot water to that in a few seconds. As I say, some of you are aware, I've been making my own home brew for a while. Now, I wouldn't say I'm an expert, no shape or form, but I do enjoy my own home brew. There'll be a wee bit it takes when I pitch the yeast. After that, it'll take about 6 days for it to ferment. I haven't really done anything over the winter there because it's been too cold to get anything to start fermenting. It takes too long to ferment. Normally it'll take about 7 days in the temperature that I have here in the house. So, but I'll bring you back again in a couple of minutes when we've put the last of the wort in, and you'll see me adding the cold water. Okay? That's me just adding the water there. It's probably not quite. And I usually just take that up to just about the well, I've been doing it to about 23 litres. just under 5 gallon. So that I worked out that it works out at about 38 pence a pint, something like that. This is water from Chelsea. The walk that can be seen in one of my videos, I believe. This water's really good. I'll put it on the 5 gallon mark yet. Right, we're just over because of the head. Just gonna run that again. I'm going to take a reading now of the actual just bear with me a second. There's no alcohol in that yet because there's no yeast in it. This has all been soaked and sterilised. This has been sterilised also, so I need to find out what the gravity of this is. So I'm going to say that it is about 1040. It's just kind of floating between a 1040, 1045. Just get away. Yeah. Aye, so it's about 1040. So that's good. It's a good time to take a reference of that 1040, and that'll roughly work out from that what the alcohol is. I need to take a temperature reading. Unfortunately, my old thermometer, which I'm recording. I need to get a temperature reading. This temperature gives us way up. This temperature gives us way up to 30. Sure, there's a temperature thing on the side of it, but it's not very accurate. It says 22, so and looking at my one here, I make it about 23. Yeah, it's about 23, so I'm going to pitch the yeast of that and just take the risk. Knife is totally crap. Take the spoon out, get a wee stir. There's a lot on these bubbles. Bubbles, I'm forever blowing bubbles. I believe that's some sort of book thing. And that is just the yeast that's come with the kit that I'm using. I've used other yeast, don't get me wrong, but the 7 grams of yeast that comes with the kit is usually quite good, to be fair. Now that'll go away for 6 days. I'll probably do a short video on I'll do a short video on it to let you know how it's going. In the 6 days, the 7th day I should be bottling. All being well, if the brew has gone well. So thanks all for watching, and don't forget to leave us a like and comment if you want to. Anything to add to it. There will be a secret ingredient going in at the bottling, but I'm not really going to tell you what it is, so it's a secret. Okay, so we'll catch you all on the next one.